Markus Söder, Bavaria's state premier and head of the Christian Social Union, has been a prominent figure in Germany's response to the pandemic, meeting regularly with Angela Merkel. He was also a strong contender to replace Merkel and become the conservative CDU-CSU bloc's candidate. But he eventually bowed out to Armin Laschet and remains covertly critical of his adversary.
There's no need to whine. Now is the time to really fight. I have no desire for opposition, dear friends.
Bavaria is where the first confirmed case of COVID-19 was detected in Germany, and as Bavaria's state premier and chair to the Council of State Premiers, Söder led the way on restrictions and rules. But there has been some political turmoil with his coalition partner in Munich, Hubert Aiwanger of the Free Voters Party, after the latter did not want to get vaccinated. At 1.94 meter, Söder towers over many, and he knows how to put himself in the spotlight, and he does so far more than the other candidates for the Chancellor, Armin Laschet and Olaf Scholz.
Bavaria and Berlin are a bit like New York and California. Berlin is more like New York, a bit hectic, a bit noisy and interesting, but somehow very dense. And if you're there long enough, it's also a bit exhausting. We're more like California, better weather, high technology and a different work-life balance. That's how I would put it. Bavaria is the California of Germany.
Bayern ist das Kalifornien von Deutschland.
But this peaceful atmosphere of Bavaria has not taken away his fighting spirit. Markus Söder hasn't hesitated to point out during the election campaign that he could do better than the CDU-CSU candidate.